Want to know how to prepare for guild battles in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Head towards story modes and not multiplayer but directly towards story mode. So guild battles are pretty tough, but preparation makes all the difference. Always coordinate with your guild on who attacks on which target. So make sure your main heroes are upgraded and your gears are upgraded to full to ensure maximum damage. So make sure you use buffs and healing items at critical moments as well, as it's really important. So save your strongest skills for enemy bosses. Following a plan ensures your guild earns more points and you stay competitive. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.